Hello friends, welcome to at Pagojai TV channel. Topic of this video 1. What is ChatGPT? 2. Key aspects and characteristics of ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a variant of the GPT, generative pre-trained transformer, model developed by OpenAI. It's specifically designed for generating human-like text in a conversational manner. ChatGPT is trained on a massive amount of text data to understand and generate coherent responses in natural language. It's capable of engaging in written or text-based conversations with users, answering questions, providing information, generating creative content, and more. ChatGPT is used in a wide range of applications, including chatbots, virtual assistants, content generation, and customer support automation. It can be used to build AI-powered systems that can carry out text-based conversations with users, making it a versatile tool for various natural language processing tasks. It's worth noting that while ChatGPT is powerful and capable of producing human-like responses, it may still generate incorrect or biased information, so it's important to use it responsibly and verify its responses when necessary. ChatGPT is a natural language processing model developed by OpenAI. It is built on the GPT, generative pre-trained transformer, architecture, specifically fine-tuned to excel in text-based conversations. Here are some key aspects and characteristics of ChatGPT. (1) Conversational capabilities. ChatGPT is designed to engage in natural and coherent text-based conversations with users. It can understand and respond to user inputs, making it suitable for chatbots, virtual assistants, and other conversational AI applications. 2. Pre-training and fine-tuning. Like other GPT models, ChatGPT goes through a two-step process. First, it is pre-trained on a massive corpus of text from the internet to learn grammar, context, and world knowledge. Then, it is fine-tuned on specific datasets to improve its conversational abilities and adapt it to specific tasks or domains. 3. Transfer learning. ChatGPT leverages transfer learning, which means it benefits from the knowledge it gained during pre-training to perform well in a variety of downstream tasks. It can understand and generate text in multiple languages and domains. 4. Responsiveness. ChatGPT aims to generate contextually relevant responses that make sense in the conversation. It can continue a conversation over multiple turns, ask for clarifications, and provide answers based on the information available to it. If you like the content, please subscribe to at Pagojai TV channel. 5. Prompt engineering. The quality of responses from ChatGPT often depends on the quality of the prompts or user inputs. Crafting clear and specific prompts can help elicit more accurate and informative responses. 6. Safety measures. OpenAI has implemented safety mitigations to reduce harmful or biased outputs from ChatGPT. It has undergone significant research and development to address issues related to misinformation and inappropriate content. 7. API integration. OpenAI offers an API, application programming interface, for ChatGPT, allowing developers to integrate it into their own applications, products, or services. This API enables businesses to create customized conversational AI experiences. 8. Usage policies. OpenAI provides guidelines and policies for the responsible use of ChatGPT. Users and developers are encouraged to follow these guidelines to ensure ethical and safe interactions. 9. Limitations. While ChatGPT is powerful and versatile, it may produce incorrect or nonsensical responses. It can be sensitive to input phrasing, and it may generate biased content, so it's important to review and validate its responses, especially for critical applications. 10. Continual improvement. OpenAI continues to refine and improve ChatGPT based on user feedback and ongoing research. New versions may be released with enhancements and better performance. ChatGPT has a wide range of potential applications, from enhancing customer support to creating chatbots that assist with various tasks. It's important for developers and users to consider its strengths and limitations when implementing it in real-world scenarios. Responsible use, prompt design, and oversight are key factors in maximizing its effectiveness and ensuring safe interactions. Please like this video if you liked the content. Share this video with your near and dear ones. Let me know your comments in the comments section. For more interesting videos like this, subscribe to my channel at Pagoja TV channel. Thank you.